Afrolin natural hair fiber protects the hairline, allows for easy transitioning, gives volume without weight, and is a safe, undetectable, natural extension hair for the entire family. Welcome to our training demo showing braid-type techniques exclusively using natural Afrolin hair fiber. The techniques are corkscrews, plaits, Senegalese twist, or two-strand twist, and cornrows. The corkscrew technique. Corkscrews require 1 or 2 pounds of Afrolin hair depending on desired length. Afrolin hair gives the appearance of fullness and volume without weight because it doesn't weigh the hair down. Part the hair into ponytail sections and wrap the end of a 12-inch to 24-inch length of yarn around the base of the hair 3 or 4 times, and tie once to secure it in place. Take one full piece of Afrolin hair and attach it in the middle by wrapping the same yarn twice and tie, leaving the remaining yarn length hanging. Fold Afrolin hair together making one piece. Then smooth the Afrolin hair by applying organic Afrolin aloe vera gel. The Afrolin aloe vera gel is used primarily for the corkscrew technique. Take the yarn and wrap around Afrolin with a downward angle with your right hand, while holding hair in place with the left hand. Angle wrapping is the key to the corkscrew technique. Beginners should start by angle wrapping 3 at a time, then push upward. Then another 2 or 3 angle wrap, then push upward. After wrapping on an angle, push upward in place tightly to form a corkscrew and secure ends with the same yarn. When each corkscrew is complete, tie off the end, then cut off the excess yarn. You can make any length desired by selecting longer Afrolin pieces. Corkscrews are stylish for any age and take little time to complete a style. The plait. Divide Afrolin hair into 2 or 4 parts depending on desired thinness. In this demo, Afrolin is divided into 2 parts and folded into a cross, which becomes 3 parts when folded. Attach to the hair at base and plait with 3 strands, and notice how the extensions get thinner at the end, just like your natural hair. Secure ends with a tiny slide-down knot as shown. Notice how the plait can be made to curve for a natural style finish. The Afrolin hair extension is undetectable and very natural looking. It's lightweight, avoiding pulling, stress, or breakage on your natural hair. Depending on fullness and length desired, a complete plaited style can be achieved with 1/2 to 1 pound of Afrolin hair. The Senegalese twist, or two-strand twist. Divide Afrolin hair into 2 parts and wrap the hair twice around the base of the natural hair to secure the extension. Proceed to twist or roll each strand, then cross into a twist. Twist, then cross, twist, then cross, until you reach the end, which naturally thins out. Secure the twist by making a small slide-down knot. The Afrolin hair holds together naturally and is easy to use, leaving a Baka beautiful natural finish. You will have a flawless, full look without weight or extension detection. Protect your natural hair and hairline with Afrolin natural hair fiber. The Bantu knots are also created with this technique. Cornrows. Notice how the natural edges are not pulled or stressed when cornrowed because Afrolin is lightweight with give and therefore protects the hairline. As you can see, the young girl is relaxed and shows no facial expression of discomfort because natural Afrolin hair is so resilient and lightweight that it protects the hairline, eliminating the possibility of hair loss and thinning edges. Once you purchase natural Afrolin hair fiber, you can enjoy a multitude of styles in the comfort of your own home.
Part the hair in small sections in order to attach the Afrolin to the hair to make the Kasama braids. Now it's necessary to split the Afrolin into 2 sections and then split it again so that you use 1/4. And cross the hair over and pull it back again so that you now have 3 distinct sections to match plait. We will now attach the Afrolin natural hair fiber and attach it to the small section of the client's hair that you have parted. One section of the client hair now joins with the Afrolin, so you're still plaiting with 3 parts. 1, 2, and 3. The hair is attached to one part, and you begin to plait like you would plait your natural hair. Now, what is the difference in plaiting a Kasama braid versus plaiting a regular plait? The main difference is, notice she is braiding with an underhand technique, not an overhand plait. In the beginning, you will go much slower than she is. Notice it is an under braid technique, and as she is braiding under, she is wrapping the hair around. She is not braiding by pulling down. She is wrapping around. Notice how the wrist and the hand goes around. Now she ties the end of this to make a neat small knot, which she pulls to the end so that it is almost unnoticeable. And with the Afrolin, the hair naturally thins out just like your own natural hair until the end becomes a much finer plait, not as thick as it was from the roots. Remember, with the Afrolin, you will make the hair into a very neat knot. If you choose not to use Afrolin and you're plaiting, you can still tie the hair in a knot and go back and burn the hair. With Afrolin, you cannot burn the hair because it is a natural hair. Now you have a neat, natural, even Kasama braid. Remember that braiding is an art. As you're braiding, you want your art to look like a masterpiece. So take your time, placing each hair evenly and tightly, not loose, to give it the smooth appearance. This time, it will not be necessary to split the hair, but it is first necessary to know how to do Kasama braids in order to do dread extensions, because you will use the Kasama braid as your base for making your dread extensions. Now we will take a strip of Afrolin, folding over 1/4 of the length of the Afrolin. About 2 inches are folded over as you attach it to the hair. This is how you will attach it. 2 inches are below the base of the hair, and you're wrapping the Afrolin around your Kasama braid. As you're wrapping it around smoothly, it holds the 2-inch piece in place, and it gives it an appearance of a real dreadlock extension.
Afrolin dread extensions are formed by wrapping the Afrolin around partial plaits for softness and pliability. It is only necessary to start the plait to attach and secure the Afrolin without plaiting to the end. Then wrap another piece of Afrolin hair around the partial and unfinished plait of Afrolin hair to form a dread extension. To secure and finish the end of the Afrolin dread extension, wrap a thin piece of Afrolin hair around the end and knot it, or add a little synthetic hair on the end of the Afrolin dread extension to burn and secure the ends. Remember, Afrolin hair is a natural hair fiber that does not burn. The added styling benefit of Afrolin hair fiber is that you can bump or curl the ends of the natural hair for all braided styles if desired, with the exception of dread extensions.
the essence of Baka Beautiful. From ancient herbal secrets comes an all-natural hair care system for hard-to-manage hair. Our unique natural hair care system will add new life and luster to locks and relax resistant hair completely chemical-free. Don't delay, you can be Baka Beautiful today.